Is he still chasing you? Just come in, get him in, and close the door, and then just like fucking run to the side and like put your back against the wall. Close the door and then stand at the door so he can't get out. Don't worry, if he knocks you out, I'll fucking kill him. So just let him come in and then close the door. I'll be in the bathroom.
Okay. Mom? Yeah, well, I've had this game since December 23rd. Okay, he's in. Okay, stop.
I like to look all fucking chainsaw murdery.
Looks like guys just like waiting in the woods for little kids.
Yeah, I look pretty good the part right now. That's why I didn't really want to change it. Where is he?
I can shoot him. Take a shotgun. I have shotgun ammo too. I'm gonna cut him off. I'm gonna chainsaw him.
You can sprint and chainsaw at the same time. It's awesome. Oh, you hit him! It's so good
Get
that you can
chainsawed.
sprint and hit.
Oh shit. Where's he at? Hang on. Let me continue my chainsaw massacre. I'll kill him. This is going in there.
Yeah.
You wanna die?
Let him hit.
You wanna die, son?
Yeah, yeah.
Turn around. Get on your knees. This is the cartel. We're reenacting the cartel video. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's you or your whole family.
Yeah, top it off.
Okay.
Do it.
Why you don't steal from El Chapo?
So you don't steal from El Chapo.
Help me, he's in the... Come on, dude. Why do you drop the chainsaw? Come on. You wanted to fight. Oh!
Motherfuckers! Get wrecked!
Another one. Is that you?
Where?
That's not you. There's two
Where?
guys over here. What's up, dudes?
Police station?
Geared.
By the police?
Yeah, right by police. Right across from
Alright.
police.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go on the bus. Don't
What's
spook
up?
me. I'm gonna try to sport it.
No, I'm not gonna chainsaw you.
Tell me if
Pull
they
your
head
axe
towards the
out.
bus.
You crazy? You gonna take an axe to a chainsaw fight? Alright, you wanna come at me, bro? Hey, shoot these guys.
Come on. Take it out.
They're right across by the bus stop. Why are you coming at me? You wanna find out?
Oh my god, dude. You're out there, right? I can't.
Yeah, I'm standing in the road with them. They both got melees.
You gotta keep them busy.
They're after me,
Run to the
Marn.
bus.
Get
If
your
you run
shit
into
together.
trouble, run to the bus.
I'm
Run
already
to the
running
bus.
to the bus.
Keep running to the bus. To the bus. Okay. This buddy. This is Spark.
Oh my god, the
Oh my
fucking
God.
server's restarting. No, the
Right
server's
now?
restarting,
No,
dude.
it's not. Don't see the message.
Oh no, his game crashed and I chainsawed him while it was crashing. What up, bro? What up, homie? For chainsawing people? Duh.
We can work together.
There's two of them, Alright, I'm coming. Two of them. Wait, dude, get over here! I'm coming, right by you. I see him.
I think that's...
Oh god! Don't worry that a gas, dude. Don't hit me with that, bro. No!
Get these fuckers. Break his leg.
The other guy's in the red too, I got him.
Break. Alright, keep him there. Keep him trapped. Where you going, dude? Where you going? Just take it.
I lost it, dude. Lost time. You're gonna run out of gas, I hope you know.
Just break his legs. Watch out, watch out, watch out!
You're coming at me!
There's a fucking guy behind you, idiot. You almost died. He was fucking about axed you.
Which guy? Oh,
Dude, he was gonna axe you.
I thought you were like, come.
Aw, now I ran out of gas. You suck. I gotta fill it back up. Hang on. Alright, we're good again. Let's keep playing. Get wrecked.
Trying to break his legs.
Oh, you're gonna die.
Fucking chainsaw massacre, bitch.
Is
Look at this zombie. He wants some too. Hey man, fucking one shots all day.
That's a steady pulse. I'm gonna